I want to make sure that we discuss this really quickly, and I want you to think about it. When is it a good thing to have unlimited of something? Like what is something that's good to have unlimited of? I can think of a couple things. Chicken nuggets? Well, no. And life. Unlimited life is a good thing. I think sometimes air, water, perhaps money, right? When is unlimited minutes on your data plan would be good. Okay, when is it not a good thing to have unlimited? Unlimited prison time would not be a good thing, correct? Unlimited death around, that's true. So when we're talking about governments, I'm just saying this very quickly because I want to make sure you know this as we prepare. When you're talking about power and governments having power, the most important thing is that your government has as limited power as possible. Okay? So we have, what kind of government do we have? Is it limited or unlimited? It is definitely limited. But when you're talking about definitely limited, that was a tongue twister. But when you're talking about limited, it means limited in their power to control what you do as the individual. You don't want, our founding fathers did not want a tyrant. Our founding fathers wanted to have a constitutional republic. And so, specifically, they limited the power of government, and it's a very important concept. Okay, that's what I wanted.